Welcome to DelftStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the DWM crash issue on Windows 11 using a few simple steps. If your screen flickers, freezes, or goes black, Desktop Window Manager may be crashing. First, update your graphics driver. Right-click the Start button and open Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows install any available update. When it is done, close Device Manager. Next, we will fix corrupted system files. Click Start, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. In the command window, type sfc/scannow and press Enter. Wait for the scan to finish completely. Now we will restart the Desktop Window Manager service. Press the Windows key and type Services and open the Services app from the search result. Scroll down and find Desktop Window Manager Session Manager. Right-click on it. If Stop is available, click Stop. Then close the Services window. Finally, restart your computer. This applies all changes and restarts DWM properly. After your system starts again, check if the DWM crash problem is fixed. In most cases, these steps solve the issue completely. Thanks for watching.